In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CamScanner to scan your document however you want it, and it's going to come out glaringly very clear. You can use it for applications and so on. So if you don't have CamScanner, just go to your app store and just install it. I have mine here, so I can just click to start it. Once you open it, you can come to the camera icon over here to scan a new document. So let's say I have my document over here that I can just navigate. Make sure you capture everything, and then you can just click on snap. And this is going to quickly just bring it in. You can see the clarity of it. You can change the different format, but I usually like to keep it at magic color, which is very clear and glaring. You can just go ahead and type in a name over here, for example, cover. And once you're done, you save, and then you can save this as well. Or if you want to retake, you can retake. I can just click on save. And this is going to now refine the selection, and you can now see my document have been clearly scanned, and you can share it if you want. You can sign, you can share directly, you can click on share, and you have the option to share as PDF or share as a long image or share as images. So you can just go ahead, share as image to your WhatsApp, to anything, to any of these platforms. You can just go ahead and select and share. So if you find this helpful, please leave a like.